Hey, so right behind me is our survival seeds garden, and last year we had some pretty good plants from it, and some not so good. So last year we got over here this first pot we planted our kidney beans in. Those did really well, and we're gonna put those there again this year. And then in the kiddie pool last year we put our beets and our onions. Did not do well. That has really bad drainage, so we're not really sure what we're gonna do with that. We're rethinking the kiddie pool. These next three pots here we had our tomatoes and our green peppers in last year, and those did really well. And we've got a few extra pots from the cows' protein feed. That's where we get those. So we have some extras, but this year today we're gonna plant our onions and kidney beans. Those are ready to go out. The tomatoes and peppers and other seeds, they're inside because we're not quite past the 40-degree weather limit here in Michigan. So those aren't ready to come out yet, but the other ones we can get planted, and that's what we're gonna be working on today. We're gonna put the onions in one of these pots and then the kidney beans in their original pot. So we added gardening mix and potting soil to both of the beds and then watered them down so that, because the soil got really compact over the winter. So we got that taken care of, and now we're gonna plant kidney beans. For the first time ever in VC Family Homestead history, we have had chicks hatch in our chicken coop. That is their mother. She nested on them and she had 3 baby chicks. And she's got more in her nest that have not been hatched yet. They're so cute! Hey, so cow update.
Selfie with the girls.
We have really?
Yeah.
We have 7 baby cows now, and we still have 2 cows that might be pregnant, but we're not really sure. Look, here's some of the babies. That's Clara's baby, and some other ones back there. There's 7 of them in total, and they're just adorable, and I love them so much. We're pretty sure most of them are boys, but there are some of them that I'm not sure on, so I'm going to try and get the rest of them gendered. But yeah, really excited about this year. They're all doing really well. They're all getting milked. None of them are really struggling with anything, which is great because last year we had a few that weren't really feeding their babies. So this year we're really excited about that. Hey, so over here in our garden we've had a bit of a cold spell for the last day or so. I just walked you out of her.
Yeah, I know.
For the last night it went down to like 39, 40 degrees. And we transplanted our tomatoes yesterday. So we did get a bit of damage on these, but we're thinking it's not too bad. They're still doing okay. So we've got our tomatoes out here, and then just down here, we've got our other tomatoes and pepper plants in this bed. And those are doing a little bit better. We got some frost damage on the tomatoes, but we're thinking those are gonna do okay. And then over here, Dad and Bunky transplanted the carrots. And then right down here are the onions, which were transplanted. And they're doing pretty well. And then over here we got more onions, which aren't doing quite as well, but we've got more if we need to replant them. So those are doing good. And then all the way down here, we got some baby carrots right there. Nothing here. And then our garlic.
The beets.
And then today, Kayla and I are gonna plant the beets right in there. And then we're gonna go plant our other beets in the survival seeds because they're the Detroit red beets. I'm gonna put the beets in. I got 3 rows here. Beets don't need too much dirt on top of them because they're pretty shallow. They grow more up than they do down. They should do great, and then we'll go do the ones in the survival seeds garden. So we've got another spot for beets over by the carrots, and then the best part about the beets is we get 2 crops of these. So we'll grow these and then we'll harvest them, and then we can plant and harvest them again in late June. So We get 2 of them. Hey, I'm Trey, and this is Kayla, and we are VC Family Homestead, but you might not have known, we're also Vineyard Chicks. We're part of a band, and we do all sorts of different kinds of music, and we go live every Monday, and you can find out more at Vineyard Chicks if you're interested. If you guys are wondering what we meant by Survival Seeds when we mentioned it during this video, Survival Seeds is a collaboration run by this guy, in collaboration with Lazy Days Ahead and Bushcraft Family, where we pick 6 seeds that we bought from Rainbow Seeds, which is an amazing seed company, and we ship to you. Unless you're in Canada, then we ship it from Miss Lori at Lori's World. Thank you, by the way, for that. You're the best. But if you are interested in growing survival seeds, then you can check out the video in the description on how you can make your entry video into Survival Seeds Collab.
All the information you need and more is available at survivalseedscollab.com, or email me at survivalseedscollab@gmail.com for any additional details.
As soon as we get your entry video, we'll be sending out your free 6 seeds that you can grow.
You don't get 6 packs of seeds.
Your free 6 packs of seeds, not 6 seeds, that you can grow right alongside with us and the rest of the community in Survival Seeds. We would be so glad to have you as part of the collaboration, and it would be super fun.
And the community is awesome.
This looks pathetic. This is my little sister.